Imagine eagerly looking forward to a conversation with a long-lost friend, excited to hear about their life and what's been happening. But when you start talking, all they say is, "Nothing new, same old."
Same old, same old.
Your excitement quickly fades away. It's the same feeling you'll get with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra camera. If you were hoping for something exciting and different from its predecessor, you'll be disappointed. The truth is, it's just the same old camera. It doesn't bring any significant improvements, leaving you wanting more and feeling let down. Well, let's get right into the video. If you were eagerly searching for the specifications of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, then halt. We have made it clear that the S24 Ultra indicates a lack of significant hardware upgrades in terms of camera specifications. Despite the absence of major changes in the camera hardware, the Galaxy S24 Ultra does offer some enhancements.
Tell me more.
It retains the impressive 200-megapixel Samsung HP2 sensor for stunning image quality, along with the same 12-megapixels ultra-wide lens and 12-megapixels telephoto lens. But what more can we expect? Keep watching to find out. From what we saw from the S23 Ultra, most Samsung fans are particularly interested in its camera performance and the advancements of its successor. Although the hardware upgrades in the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera are minimal, indicating that significant changes in camera specifications might not be present, stay hopeful for improvements in overall camera performance. To compensate for limited hardware advancements, Samsung has placed a strong emphasis on software and processing improvements for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera.
Cool, that's cool.
By harnessing advanced algorithms and computational techniques, the device aims to optimize image quality, enhance low-light performance, and provide you with vivid colors, sharper details, and refined shooting modes. These software enhancements are expected to elevate the overall photography experience and compensate for any hardware limitations. There is also a remarkable upgrade that might just be the highlight of the S24 camera. Before that, stay connected and be a part of our community to ensure you don't miss any future updates on the S24 Ultra or any other Samsung device. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive timely notifications and stay informed about the latest news, releases, and exclusive content. This year, the telephoto camera of the S23 Ultra was nothing short of remarkable. If you are an adventurous traveler or know an adventurous traveler desiring a camera that can capture detailed shots of wildlife, distant landmarks, and mesmerizing landscapes during his expeditions, share this video with them. Why? The Galaxy S24 Ultra presents a notable upgrade in the form of a 10-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom capability. This improvement addresses your need for enhanced zoom functionality, allowing you to capture distant subjects with more detail and clarity.
Impressive!
With this particular upgrade, the Galaxy S24 Ultra provides versatility and empowers you to explore your surroundings and document your adventures with remarkable precision. If the camera hardware is expected to be the standout feature of the S24 Ultra, how will Samsung fare in comparison to its competitors? Let's delve into this topic and explore Samsung's position in the market. On social media, we normally see tech enthusiasts engaging in a debate with others regarding smartphone camera advancements. For instance, they compare Samsung's camera hardware strategy with that of competitors like Google and Apple. But now, with how the camera hardware of the upcoming S24 Ultra seems lacking, supporting Samsung in an argument like this may leave you in the dump, right? Maybe not. In contrast to its competitors, Samsung's camera hardware strategy focuses on refining existing camera components. This approach ensures familiarity, stability, and consistent performance, providing users with reliable image quality. While some users might desire more substantial camera advancements, Samsung's strategy caters to those who value reliability and consistent performance over frequent sensor upgrades. By refining existing components, Samsung aims to deliver a reliable and optimized camera experience that meets the needs of its user base. But all these are still yet to be seen. When will the phone be launched? We will answer that next. Are you eagerly anticipating the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series? As the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series approaches, You may be curious about the camera capabilities and overall performance enhancements. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series, consisting of the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra models, is set to be launched in early 2024. These devices are expected to incorporate the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which brings several improvements, such as enhanced performance, improved energy efficiency, and advanced AI capabilities. The integration of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset is expected to deliver a seamless and powerful user experience, not only in terms of camera functionality but also across the entire device's performance. Other sources also say that some regions will have the Exynos 2400 chipset.
Yeah, really?
And when it comes to the battery, it was reported some weeks back that Samsung would use EV tech in the S24 batteries. If so, we can anticipate a longer battery life. While the camera hardware of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra may not bring significant improvements, there is still hope for exciting software functionality. Samsung has a track record of leveraging software advancements to enhance camera performance, and we can anticipate remarkable image processing, advanced shooting modes, and improved computational photography features. These software upgrades have the potential to elevate the overall camera experience and compensate for any hardware limitations. So, even though the initial disappointment might be there, let's keep our expectations open and see how Samsung shocks us with its innovative software capabilities. I do not like surprises, but I am eager to know what surprise Samsung has for us. Speaking of surprises, check out our video on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 to know what to expect in terms of features and performance.